Nugget is away. Whoa! Good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino Beer Review. You have the Rhino, you have Helga, you have Ali Alejandro, you have the cartoon. Boris is coming because, you know, Boris can't not be involved. The only one that isn't here is General Fluff Nugget, as James calls her. We have a beer from Fork River in London, Ontario. Ooh, nice. This is Dead Parrot. Dead Parrot is a sour old English ale.
Okay.
Which is red wine barrel aged with sour cherries.
What?
That's filthy.
And it's 7.7% alcohol by volume.
All the love. Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, the smell. Oh my god, the smell. So, I'm going to, most likely, hopefully, go to the Liquid Arts Fest in Hamilton on Friday, which has over 50 breweries. 30 of them are from Europe, 15 of them are from the US, and have never been in Canada.
Oh, okay.
It's unfortunately, it's only a 3.5 hour session from 6 p.m. to 9:30.
Oh, it's one of those?
Yeah. Well,
wasn't there one when we went to see
they do
Skid Red in Rochester?
They do those small sessions because to them it's smarter because you don't get as drunk. But to me, it means that you push people to drink it faster.
Yeah.
You don't pace yourself if you only have 3.5 hours. I want to get to this beer, this beer, this. He's like, I want to get these. I want to try something from all these guys. I got to do it fast. Dead Parrot. Dead Parrot. Yeah, Dead Parrot.
Yeah, Dead Parrot.
Wow, look
That
at the
is
color of
a
that.
murky beer.
That is
It's
like
muddy. It's very muddy.
brassy, dirty copper penny.
A little bit of a snapcrack pop.
Swamp water.
Yes,
For
swamp
sure.
water full on. Very vinous on the nose.
Wow.
Definitely a sour.
I get that tannic wood scent.
Mm-hmm. It smells like a wine barrel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very vinous, very sour. The cherries pop too, though.
Like, they're there. Crazy.
The butthole is more barrel and more cherry, and nothing else.
I've done a thing. I've done a thing.
You have
I
indeed.
apologize. I've done a thing.
I name a dog, you name a bottle.
Cheers, Ali Alejandro.
Oh. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. Perfume.
Wow.
Oh, for God's sakes.
You know what? From the sniffy sniff, I didn't think I was gonna be a fan of it.
This really is cherry juice in the
Yes.
bottle, isn't it? Yeah.
This is
Malted cherry juice.
holy shit.
Malted cherry juice, but you do get on the end you get the tannic tongue depressor on the back of your tongue.
You do.
The oak tongue depressor.
The wood is present, but like, my goodness.
The wood actually almost makes it moreish because it clears up your palate and dries it out and makes
right
you
away.
want to take another sip.
Right away.
But you're right. It's like it's almost like caramel malt balls, like the what the fuck are they called? The Whoppers.
Whoppers, yes.
It's like Whoppers with cherries.
Yep.
And then wood.
Oh,
Whoppers, cherries, wood.
that's fantastic.
Jesus. I mean, if Jesus existed, this is what I would say. Sorry, no.
We're not gonna go there.
No, Jesus is picking grapes.
Flat Earth.
Oh! I have a bone to pick.
All the Flat Earth folks around the globe.
Actually, me and my work partner, we are thinking about releasing spirit levels. That's proof that the Earth is flat. Because you can't. If it's a curve, how is it going to be level? Right? $149.99, shipping included. If you're interested. Sorry.
So Dead Parrot.
Plug in the side business while we can.
Dead Parrot's a good beer.
Oh man, I love this.
I think you two like it a little more than I do, but I'm okay with that.
I'm not a personal fan of this style, but I was expecting something way more offensive to my palate.
Hi, girl.
This is actually extremely drinkable,
How are you?
and by extremely drinkable, I could very much pound.
Are you an
Several
old
of
girl
these.
already? Are you an old mommy? Are you an old mommy? Are you an old mommy? Anyway, hi guys. Yeah, so
Don't you love?
I think for me the thing that I like the least about it is just how strong the tannic wood is at the end. But at the same time I like it because it clears off your palate and makes you want more. I don't know, I'd probably give it an 8. I don't mind it. It's a well-made beer. I like it, it tastes good. But I don't think I would legitimately probably go out of my way to find it again. I'd buy it again, sure, but I wouldn't go out of my way to get it.
8.5 for me. It's definitely a very good beer.
If it wasn't for the mild, back of the tongue, astringent bitterness, and the finish that I'm pretty sure just comes from whatever they're doing with the wood or whatever barrel they used, I say it would be definitely worth a dance. But it's going to have to be an 8.75 for me.
Alrighty, that's not bad. An 8, an 8.5, an 8.75. Thank you, you two. Au revoir. A bientôt. See you soon. Goodbye. I'm going to try and step over this table and hopefully not die.
Oh jeez.
Oh no, wait. General Fluff Nuggets there. I'm not going to.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
see the
Yeah.
legs.
Oh yeah. No. You will destroy Fluff Nut.
I would have killed her.
No.